All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 5 on CR number 8. It says Aaron lives 1.75 miles from his friend Roger's house. How far will he bicycle all together if he rides his bike to Roger's and back for 4 days? All right, well, let's look at how far he'll go in just one day. So here's Aaron's house. Here's Roger's house. He goes from his home to Roger's house. That's 1.75 miles. But then at the end of his little visit, he's got to get back home. So this is 1.75 miles. So to figure out how far he goes, this would just be in one day. That's what I'm trying to figure out. How far does Aaron, that's ugly, bike in one day? All right, well, he goes to his friends and back, and each way is 1.75, so you could either choose to do 1.75 plus 1.75, lining up those place values. 5 and 5 is 10, put down a 0, carry 1. 7 and 7 is 14, and 1 more is 15. Make sure you keep your decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 3.5 or 3.50. You could also choose, some of you might say, I don't feel like adding those together. Okay, well, he's going to go 1.75 times 2 if he's going there and back. That's all that repeated addition of the same number means. It means to multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, put down a 0, carry a 1. 2 times 7 is 14, and 1 more is 15, put down a 5, carry a 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 more is 3. How many places over do I have to move that decimal point? I have to move it 2 places over. So either way, you get 3.5. But that's just one day. So in one day, Aaron bikes 3.5 miles. Now, how far will he bike in 4 days? That's what I got to figure out now. How far does he bike in 4 days? All right. So 3.5 miles in one day, and he's going to do that for 4 days. So you could either do 3.5, 3.5 for day 2, 3.5 for day 3, 3.5 for day 4. And you could choose to add those up. 5 and 5 is 10, and 5 more is 15. 5 is 25. Put down a 5, carry a 2. Keep that decimal point there. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 and a half miles. Some of you are like, I'm not spending all day repeatedly adding. That's fine. You could also choose to do 3.5 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Put down a 0, carry a 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and 2 more is 14. Oh, that's kind of good, because then I found my mistake. 5, 10, 15, 20. Put down a 0, carry a 2. Either way, it's 14 miles. So that's nice. I found my little mistake. 14 miles. I hope that helps.